Planning a trip to Paris? With just 3 days, you'll want to balance the city's iconic landmarks with charming neighborhoods and plenty of French food. In this itinerary, I'll guide you through the highlights of the City of Lights, with tips on where to stay, how to get here, and how to make every moment unforgettable. Getting to Paris. Most international visitors arrive at Charles de Gaulle Airport, the city's largest hub. If you're already in Europe, high-speed trains make Paris easy to reach. The Eurostar brings you into Gare du Nord, while other connections arrive at Gare de Lyon or Montparnasse. When choosing a neighborhood, you have several great options. The Marais, trendy, central, and full of boutiques and food stalls. The Latin Quarter, historic, budget-friendly, and close to Notre Dame. Saint-Germain-des-Prés, chic and elegant, famous for left-bank cafes. Near the Louvre and Opera, perfect for first-timers who want to be close to landmarks. Day 1, the icons of Paris. Start your first morning at the Eiffel Tower. Whether you ride the elevator to the top or simply admire it from the Trocadero Gardens, no trip to Paris feels complete without this view. Stop at a nearby cafe for an espresso and a sweet treat. From here, enjoy a walk along the Seine River, crossing historic bridges and watching the boats go by. At lunchtime, stop at a classic French bistro for something simple like a croque monsieur or a savory quiche. In the afternoon, head to the Louvre Museum. With thousands of artworks, it's impossible to see everything. So hire a local tour company to skip the lines and guide you to the highlights. Including the Mona Lisa and the Venus de Milo. As the day winds down, make your way to Montmartre. Wander the charming streets, watch artists painting portraits, and climb to the Sacré-Cœur Basilica for a stunning sunset view over the city. For dinner, settle into a cozy brasserie for steak frites or roast chicken paired with a glass of French wine. Day 2, art, history, and the Seine. Begin your second day on the Ile de la Cité, where Paris was founded. Visit Notre Dame Cathedral and admire its towers. Then step inside Sainte-Chapelle, famous for its dazzling stained glass windows. From there, stroll through the Latin Quarter, full of bookshops, student cafes, and lively squares. For lunch, pick up some French cheese, a baguette, and pastries for a picnic in the Luxembourg Gardens. In the afternoon, cross the river to the Musée d'Orsay, housed in a former train station. It's home to Impressionist masterpieces by Monet, Renoir, and Van Gogh. As evening approaches, take a Seine River cruise. Watching the monuments of Paris light up from the water is truly magical. End your day with a 3-course French meal. Try some escargot or duck confit. After dinner, stop at a bakery and pick up some traditional macaroons. Day 3, palaces and neighborhoods. On your last day, you have 2 great options. You can take a morning trip to the Palace of Versailles, just outside the city. Explore the Hall of Mirrors and the vast gardens where French kings once walked. Or stay in the city and wander through Le Marais with its mix of historic mansions and trendy boutiques. For lunch, grab a street crepe or falafel sandwich in the Marais. In the afternoon, walk down the Champs-Élysées to the Arc de Triomphe. Climb to the top for sweeping views of Paris. As the sun sets, enjoy an aperitif on a rooftop terrace. Perhaps a glass of champagne with the skyline in view. For your farewell dinner after your Paris adventure, visit Saint-Germain, where traditional cafes buzz late into the night. Then stop for one final macaroon. In just 3 days, you'll have seen Paris's icons, explored its neighborhoods, and tasted its food. But Paris is a city that always calls you back. Subscribe to Route in Rome for more curated itineraries. Your next adventure starts here.